You will not see me in no fucking car if it ain't supercharged. We dropped on them, they ain't drop back. They try to shoot a star. Look. Taylor learning how to shoot inside moving cars. I just want the dog shit. I don't care who the hardest.
Today, we're just gonna be bipping around Philly. We got them toys outside. We got my shit outside. We got my boy. Bro said casual burn on Durango. But we got the toys outside. We got my cat out. We got my boy Chris joint. You seen that joint in the last video. And we got this freaky ass M3 right here. So we waiting for a couple more people to pull up. And we're gonna see what we get into today. Oh, he got some shit for us right here. He said he gonna show us a little Beamer.
Beamer.
Oh, not little, my fault.
What did you say, nigga?
Not little, big Beamer. I got hair first before I talk, right? Y'all know I ain't never been in no M3 though. This joint freaky right here. Real rap. That shit like real rap. Come like a wild body on the low. We got the freaky little spoiler on there. Bro got this freaky ass sticker on his drum. Drive fast, eat ass. Hey, bro, freaky as shit in that drum. He freaky as shit over there.
Bro, he done had that sticker on for years.
He be rocking that plate forever. They don't fuck with him, bro. I remember he used to post that shit all last year. Cops behind him, never pull him over with that shit.
You can't do that shit no more, part.
No, fuck no. That shit gonna be boxed in straight.
They gonna take my shit like that.
Real rap. This joint a little viral right now. PPA was playing with my man. I forgot about that.
Yo. Let's go out on the street.
Oh shit. I see why bro came out here. This ain't no little Beamer, that's my fault. That ain't no little Beamer right there. The thing about them Beamers, them joints, you sleep on them joints eat you up real quick.
No bullshit.
John, this John geeked up a little bit?
Bro, this shit's making 800. Bro, my cousin right in here.
Nah, I follow him on the gram. I know him.
This joint make 800, bro.
Dang.
And it's not even fully tuned. If it gets fully tuned, she's gonna make like at least like 12.
Cap.
Them Beamers, they be sleepers. But we about to link everybody and about to see what's going on in Philly today. All right, right now we on the way to the gas station, but damn, just with the cars we got right now, we pull it up super trim. Like, look at that blue thing in the back. Like, how can you not? Freaky behind color. He bipping, but we outside. We just pulled up to the gas station. I brought my boys to the most treacherous gas station. I ain't mean to bring y'all to the most treacherous gas station. I know we don't want to live out the way for this gas station.
I wanna go.
I got my white boys from deep down northeast out this motherfucker.
Border of Ben Salem.
He said Ben Salem for real.
Border of Ben Salem. I'm still in Philly.
My phone on D&D, I just wanna be alone. The devil at my doorstep, don't let him in my home.
Yo, I already put 18 in the cat, yo.
Come on, I'm broke, baby. I ain't got no money.
Put 18 piece.
Bro, that's all I had in cash, gang. I ain't swiping the Apple Pay over here.
Yo, he just trying to make it there, that's all.
Yo, nobody was supposed to see that. Keep it a bean, I don't know what's going on, man. We just gonna call this a typical day in Philly, cause we just gonna go see what the vibes looking like. We got me and the gang behind me still. Go see what the vibes is. Well, other niggas gang. I'm by myself, that don't mean I don't be bipping though.
It's time to swipe a jelly. Woke up in the rack, the next day took off straight to Cali. I'm trying to see in the first seat when I stand my baby in the bag.
We got the toys out here. Bro, we done pulled up. We got the freshest shit out this joint. Yo, nah, what the fuck is going on? I mean, that draw flames, but that's all the hot shit out here is us three. I don't know who that is, but yo, we thought we was pulling up to a car meet. We should have stayed at the damn fucking water ice joint. This is insane, bro. I am crying. So imagine pulled up to this, you thought this was the car meet. Well, luckily we was wrong. There's a little bit of a turnout out here. A little something, something. A little pink thing. Ew. They come and trim out this drum. A little more going on out here than the other situation. Real right, a little better, a little better. Other drum was a little corny.
You smacked that right? Oh, no, you smacked that shit hard.
And we was talking about going to get a wash. Luckily we ain't go get no wash.
Damn.
Would've been shorty as shit pulling up to this joint.
Enough for them.
There's definitely some freaky shit out there. They fucking with the pink joint.
Y'all better than me driving.
Why?
I ain't driving all the way out there. I don't care about that.
Oh, you bought it to drive it? You talking about like miles wise and shit?
I'm just saying, I just don't feel like driving.
Yeah, it was a smooth 8-hour drive for sure. What's the farthest drive you took?
I took an 8-hour drive to some out there in the red eye, and that shit fried me.
Yeah, that shit definitely fry you, bro. That shit definitely a nice little drive. Okay, they pulling up trim. Ugh. Oh yeah, park next to us, let's get a picture. Yeah, we definitely need a picture. We got the rainbow out this joint.
Fucking rainbow.
You catch me on a bad day, my shit need a wash.
I see it doing all the time, bro.
Yeah. It's pretty on the gram. I wrapped it myself, so. I might have swapped it out for real. Yeah, bro. Fucking crashing in the snow,
that's
bro.
the only part that looked,
that's the worst
someone
part.
didn't wrap it was the bumper, but that's the hardest part to wrap.
Yeah, bro. I ain't gonna lie, shit took me 8 hours. But then again, I did it in October, bro. So we pushing on.
Nah, real shit, that's
like,
good.
right, 5-6 months.
Really don't look at.
What color you gonna do that?
I don't know, bro. I feel like I gotta stick with like something like this, a little different thing.
You gotta stand out. Either it don't matter what color you do.
You gotta get that bumper sticker that Wumble had on that.
What joint?
Go fast, eat eggs.
Damn. You're not getting no picture?
No, man. She said she want to take a picture with you.
Yeah, bro, we been supposed to collab with our
Yeah, you're right. We'll take one before we leave.
Yeah, man, with the gravel, niggas ain't fucking with the regular shit down the street.
I don't even know, bro.
Is that my boy?
Niggas too cool. Y'all just staying here.
Park right here.
What, we supposed to box y'all in? Y'all look like y'all all too cool over here.
Get a little more power line. Y'all gotta get closer.
So what, this all y'all car group or something?
Well, this is the free gen joint.
Oh, this all y'all right here? Y'all all coming trim? Yeah, I see. Where the 300 at?
I did that one today.
Oh, shit.
First gen outside. He said, oh,
Well,
shit.
you matching the vibes, though. It's first gen vibes.
Oh, shit, though. What I tell y'all, yo? I'm in the wrong car.
Right, why you playing with you, Zir?
No, you said, oh, shit. I don't know why you said
What you mean? Them Jones, I'll fuck with them Jones.
My man Ron said I ain't come over there, though. So
Definitely ain't come fuck with us nothing like damn, nigga.
I had your little I had
Show some support to my guys. Your big little car group, they outside. I'm gonna bring the toys out for sure. Come fuck with them. Ugh, he coming trim. He was in the wrong spot. He must have been waiting. He was down there before us. He must have been lost. Yeah, toys definitely out here. Coming trim for sure. Yeah. Very well. You fuck with your joint, with the joint in the middle, niggas don't be doing that.
appreciate you, bro.
Yeah, right.
Maybe it had to be a little different for me.
Huh? Right here, pink joint.
Thought you were lower. Why?
Oh yeah, no, it's on bags, Niggas want to see the bags, so I guess I gotta show them the bags. Drop that shit to the floor. Not too crazy, a little bag situation.
How you live like you doing shaking?
Bro, this shit can. Yeah, this joint be a little choppy, bro. That shit blip, blip, blip. You fuck with it? Yeah. Some extra shit. I know. I just got rewrap the bumper now. It's been a little minute, but yo, so we leaving that joint. We're gonna go to the other spot. We want to take a couple pictures with the wide body, but it seems like the whole car meet is following us. I know we brung the heat, but it looked like they following us. They coming with us, so I guess we gonna go relocate everybody. And we're gonna go get some pictures. Always nice for the city to come together, regardless if you got a Hellcat, scatpack, SRT, man. You got some nice stuff that you're proud of, bring it out. Let's have some fun. I ain't hosting nothing. Damn. We left to meet everybody dipping. Oh, don't make, please. Whoa.
I left the meet. It seemed like everybody want to come with us.
So we getting Cosmo and Wanda vibes right here, so we need a hard-ass picture real quick. We got the cameraman up there. We gonna block the street real quick. I don't even care. Damn, we fighting the whole neighborhood for these pictures like Dio. City all the way back there. We messing up. Yeah, all right, let's do it again. Fuck it. We need the right pic. We already put too much effort. Yeah, nah, this fire right here. What's the move, bro? We came to join y'all meet. Like, what we doing?
Oh, what y'all want to do? What y'all want? Meet me and drop? It's not our meet. We came to somebody else's meet.
So who meet is it? Who the host? We gotta find you.
One of them Infinity owners.
That's an Infinity meet?
Yeah. No, you lying. Oh, yeah.
Damn, it's like 90% Mopars. They not speaking up over there.
But our plan was to take over their meet.
Right, so we gotta go find out who the host is then.
Tell the host to come down here.
I'm the host.
What we need?
What we need?
Said we was blocking the street. We got out the way though. Damn, what happened?
If your shit is tracker, you better big ball.
I'm about to run. I mean, you gotta take the fall for it, bro.
Where your wire at?
Officer Russell. Shit tucked in there. Shit tucked in there. It's a bunch of first gens down there. We need some love too.
Where?
Come on, walk with me, Blake.
So don't just show love to the kiddies. They bipping through the summer. It ain't even summer yet. We about to go get some rollers, but it seems like every time we pull off, everybody want to follow us. Bro, about to get some crazy behind pictures of us real quick. And my boy Ape said, shit too quiet out here, so he gonna put on a show for us real quick. So we about to see what's going on there. But it look like the whole Infinity meet done turned around. That's the thing about Philly, man. Philly don't really come together, and if they do come together, they only come together because somebody bigger than everybody done came to the city. Like, bro, be yourself, man. Make this shit pop yourself. Whole time I should need a tune, so if my motor blow, that thing bark. Yo, don't be putting me on the spot, bro. You fuck with this joint, bro? You good, bro. Bro say like my car. Once I put the camera out, he said I don't want to look like a fan. Like, that's Philly for you, 101 right there. He said I don't want to look like a fan. I try to put the camera on you. Like, bro, this is just showing love, bro. That's Philly shit. That's really Philly, bro. If you do too much, you dicky in, bro. That's really Philly for you. I done read my shit off of him and shit. Like, what you doing? Bro, what you doing? $3 of gas, only put 18. Like, damn. I pulled all the ones out of my pocket. Fuck it. We still bipping though, right? We done had another wild body join us. So now we really Trump.
Amazing buns go out finna rack at 10, these niggas be thuggin'. Little bit chance go bunkers, get it confused, them hands, some shit get spanked.
Alright, so all the wild body, scatty packs, we about to go get some rollers. Hey, we just gonna name this a typical day in Philly, man, cause all we doing is bipping, getting some footage and shit. It was supposed to be a little meet first day, but it looked like, as y'all seen from the footage, it looked like we ran the meet, or we hosted the meet. So, we're just gonna call this a typical day in Philly, cause we ain't doing nothing special. Alright, so we're dropping the wild baddie off in a secret location, and we're gonna go get rollers or the rest of the toys, so let's go see what's going on. I wanna see them drums. So my cameraman wanna see each other drums.
Bullshit, niggas trying to see who better. Don't bullshit. Look, I ain't gonna lie, Ryan about to be, you feel me?
Oh, they got the heaters for me. We got some heaters. I'm gonna show them right here on the screen. I ain't gonna burn your eyes down trying to see that shit on the screen.
Let him cook. Let him cook now. I said, let him cook.
Still found your way over here, huh?
Yeah, bro. I was in bed. I had to eat a stomach ache.
So rap, you two doing me dirty on the last video.
That shit they don't push it out to the audience at all.
What was it? Fucking takeover video or legal put.
Hey, people got me slide my J's down there for gatekeeping the videos.
Bro, rap media be wanting Brad for that shit now. Especially them drone niggas, they be wanting that cheese for you. You want that video.
Like, the only videos I got was roll back in on the Joker car, that's it.
She on that nigga now, he two it. I bought two is one to do the drills and one to move the whole brick. Walking with a limb.
His Uber got caught out in NC.
That said free leave.
Bro, right. Whole time he been free though. What happened with your Uber, bro?
PG-13, okay. We had a park and chill. Right. Okay, right. Some way, somehow, traction control turned off, right? We start spinning tires, we don't know what's happening, and then cop get right behind us. I don't know why, but we don't pull over, you know, we got scared.
So he did not pull over.
We did not pull over.
You're going to jail. You're going to jail.
So
Because I don't think we were not in the wrong. We didn't know what was going on in the car.
So you reacted out of fear is what I'm hearing.
Yes. I was in the driving.
This is all fear-based.
I was scared as well.
Scared?
I was scared too.
So your immediate reaction is to flee the police.
We was doing 100 up a hill. It was one of them hills was up, flat, down.
So that means you went for a little fly.
That didn't end well.
We going 100 up. Mind you, all we saw was straight the sky and came right back down. After that was chucked. History.
So you.
As long as y'all not blocking, doing donuts, all that shit.
Oh no, we chilling, bro.
Yeah, because they called it in on the radio. I just heard it. So as long as y'all not disturbing the entry, exit.
Oh yeah.
Bro, don't put me on camera.
Shut the fuck up.
We got to record everything, gang. You good though? You work here?
Straight.
You shouldn't be worried about. I know, I understand.
Look out for you.
You shouldn't worry about the camera. You work here though, bro. You shouldn't worry about the camera if you work here.
I'm trying to look out for you.
No, I appreciate it, but we ain't even do nothing for you to look out. But I appreciate it though, bro.
I'm just telling you. I heard it on the radio. Doing
like 4 other cars that pulled up.
We're about to dip though. I appreciate it, bro.
Our car's too pretty for that.
We're gonna be wrapping the video up here. If you like what you see, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch y'all next time, man.